we're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So if you want to work with somebody who will focus on you and listen to your needs, let our first-rate, top-notch service do the job right for you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.